Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip today is there is one thing that's keeping you from your goals. And I'm going to borrow from Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, because he said it best. He said, the only thing between you and your goals is the bullshit story that you tell yourself for why you can't achieve it. That's it. In a nutshell, you've got a group of beliefs telling you you can't achieve whatever it is you're trying to achieve. Otherwise, you would do it. There's a train of thought that the way that you believe dictates your behaviors. I think it was Ford who said it. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So what you've got to do is you've got to destroy those beliefs. You've got to eliminate them. The belief may be, it's not the right time, it's not the right market, it's not the right interest rate, it's not the right prices, I don't have money, I don't have credit, I don't have the time. Hey, I'm the only person on earth with a job and a family. Listen, a lot of people think that way. You've got to understand that all of those are just excuses and they're BS. You need to begin with whatever you've got, wherever you're at, and get started. So the investor tip today is there's only one thing keeping you from your dreams and your goals. That's your beliefs, those excuses. You've got to eliminate those and move forward towards your goal. We can help at Total Wealth Academy if you need it. Thanks for watching.